paper bag. First, let's mark 3 cm at both sides of the paper. Now let's fold the paper with the scale. Let's mark 1 cm at this side. Now let's fold the paper. Now let's put glue over here and fold the paper like this. This is the side which we have folded 3 cm earlier. On the other side, let's mark 5 cm at both sides. Now let's fold the paper. Now let's fold the paper like this at both sides. Now let's open the paper and do like this. Hold this till here. Now let's fold this above the paper. Let's fold the paper like this till this corner. Now let's fold and now let's put glue on both of these triangles. Now let's stick it on the paper like this. Now let's put some glue on both of these papers again. And put glue over this portion. Fold the paper above this paper. Now put your hand inside like this. Now see the lines over here, so do like this. Do the same to the other side also. Now fold this like this. Now with the help of punching machine, put 2 holes over here. Now let's try the thread around this hole. A big knot over here. Do the same to the other side and put the knot. Friends, our paper bag is ready. Do try this at home. You can also use newspaper to do the paper bag. So let's start making the paper basket. For this we need 2 color papers. So now I'm going to cut long strips of 1.5 centimeter. Here I have the cut strips. Now I'm going to put the green strips horizontally like this. Now I am going to put the orange strips into the green strips like this. Totally there are 8 strips in both of these colors. Now I am going to do the same to the others. So friends, we have finished weaving our paper basket. It looks so beautiful. Now take these green strips one by one and do like this. Similarly, do the same to the others. Now let's staple this. As you all can see, I stapled all the 4 sides. Here I have 2 blue strips. Now I'm going to staple the strip like this. Do the same to the other. Put a stapler where the 2 papers meet. To make it even more beautiful, I am going to stick on top of the stapler any stickers. Friends, our beautiful paper basket is ready. Do try this at home. Please like and share. If you haven't still subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon and all options. Bye bye. Thank you.